Hey y'all, my name is Mika, but before we get started with this tutorial, let me tell you a little bit about my Weight Watchers or WW journey. Child, this place will forever be called Weight Watchers in my book, okay? I am a repeat offender who has quit several times after losing over 80 pounds with Weight Watchers and thought that I can do it on my own. I'm right back where I started, y'all. Child, I was wrong, but guess what? I don't have any problem with saying that I was wrong. I'm here. I lost weight with the program. It is a wonderful program. I'm here to help you in any way that I can and to prevent you from making the same mistakes that I've made. I've learned so much along the way, and I want to share it with you. Let's get into this tutorial. We'll chat more about that later. Hey everyone, it's Mika with a quick tutorial on one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. Stay tuned, I'll show you more. Say hey, Rennie. Alrighty, that's what you came for. Look at the scale, y'all. This is the new branded WW box. My box looks a little bit different, but it is the same scale. Now, this baby will run you around $39.95. It is not sold online as of now. You can pick it up in any studio. Now, let's get into her. She's cute, right? I love it because it has over 400 foods stored in it, and it's easy to use. I use it every single day, y'all. It is just a dream. I kid you not. It's worth every single penny. It helps me stay motivated and to portion out everything accurately without even thinking about it. And it subtracts the weight of the plate or bowl you're using. I'm telling y'all, this is top-notch, prime real estate here, y'all. I kid you not. It's worth every penny. Now, on the left side, we have the power button. On the right side, we have the scroll button. At the bottom, you have the clear button. At the bottom, you also have the enter button. At the top, we have that input button, the SmartPoints button there, as well as the button to toggle between grams and ounces. And the 0 button is underneath that. Now, today, we will not be using that pause button, the add button, or the recall button because I don't use the scale for any of those features. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's turn her on. Isn't she cute? I love it, y'all. Now, when you first turn it on, it does appear in grams. Now, again, you can press this button to toggle between grams and ounces. For this demonstration, we will measure in grams. So let's go ahead and put our measuring utensil on the scale, zero it out. Now, we're going to press the input button and enter in our calories, which is 120, 120, enter. Next, we're going to enter in our saturated fat, which is 3, press enter. Then we're going to enter in our sugar, which is 16, and press enter. Now it wants the protein, which is only 1, and we're going to press enter. Then we're going to enter in the serving size in grams, which is 25. Once we hit enter, I'm going to hit the SmartPoints button to toggle back to grams so that we can measure 25 grams. Now, this is the cool part. If you make a mistake and go over, of course, you just remove what you need to get the measurement that you need precisely. Now, once we reach 25 grams, we're going to press the SmartPoints button to get the SmartPoints value. Isn't that neat? Now, you can also do this by weighing it as many chocolate chips to get the measurements for chocolate. This scale is thebomb.com. Next, we're going to weigh this feta or feta cheese, however you want to pronounce it, child. I don't judge. Do you, boo? We're going to zero out the scale, and now we're going to look for cheese. So there's actually letters on each number, just as you have with a cell phone or any type of phone, and we're going to type in the word cheese and look for look for feta, because that's what we use, and we're going to toggle until we actually reach the feta cheese. As you can see, there's many variations of cheeses. This scale can weigh everything from cereal to cheese to bread. I love it. So now that we found the feta, I want exactly 1 SmartPoints worth. So now basically we're paying SmartPoints roulette. We're trying to see how much of the feta cheese we can get before the scale bumps us up to 2 points. Child, I love to eat. I ain't lost 80 pounds just by playing. I know what to do. We're going to get it till right at 1. If it hits 2, then we'll take a little bit off. So that's what I'm doing now, just playing Russian SmartPoints roulette. And that's how we're going to roll with this. Now, I want only one, so let's remove that. There you go. 1 point. Now, the same with crackers. You can type in the word saltine. And I love saltine crackers with salads and soups. I love Wendy's, and I always eat that with my chili from time to time. So we found the word saltines. We're going to hit enter. And I want to measure these out to get the SmartPoints values. So I have one cracker on the scale. I'm going to switch it back to SmartPoints so that I can see how many SmartPoints. Is 0 for one cracker. For 2 crackers, it's 1 SmartPoint. The same for 3 and 4. So you can get 4 saltine crackers for 1 SmartPoints. When you add 5, it bumped it up to 2. Did you catch that? Alrighty, here's my favorite bread. I love this bread, y'all. It's good and low in points. Here's the nutritional information. We're going to manually enter this in, so you can do this with any food that you have and you want to know how to calculate. You want to get the points value. So we're going to enter in the information just as we did before, and that's what I'm doing here now. We're going to enter in the sugar and press enter. We're going to enter in the protein and press enter. The serving size in grams, we're going to enter that now and press enter. Now it's asking us to place the food on the scale. We're going to do just that. So 1 point for 1 slice, 2 points for 2 slices, 3 points for 3 slices. My type of bread, y'all. God bless you. Talk soon.